Hello, everyone. Shanta here. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. So, welcome to Creative Play with Faye and Shanta. So, now this is a new year for us, and so, well, for everyone. So, we decided to change things up. So, instead of using our machines, we just open it up so that we can create whatever as long as we create something. Because for myself, I noticed that almost all my projects that we did together, I almost always use the Cricut. I don't think I used a silhouette or anything, maybe one time. But anyway, so that is what we're going to do. What we have decided to do so far this year is just open it up so we can just make whatever and use um, whatever crafted supplies that we own. Alrighty. All right, everybody, we are back, and I'm just trying to get it in. The mojo has been moving slow, and life has been happening for us lately. But anyway, I got out what I used. Can you believe it? I did not use not one die. It's a miracle. So I used this. I think this is a Stampin' Up. Yeah, this Stampin' Up punch. This punch right here, which gave me some fits. This 1-inch circle punch, and then this smaller circle punch. And then I used the Jaded Blossom Simply Saying stamp set. This paper pad right here. And because my mojo has been trash lately, I was just trying to find something to make for today. Because the video is already late. I think it's supposed to be posted last week. But anyway, I was scouring Pinterest, and I found these little cute little nugget holder boxes. There was a different style that I've seen. So just made by 6x12 paper. And you can see where I used the punches and stuff and scored, and I just measured and did all the layering pieces. My hand ashy. But these hold those nugget, like the little nuggets that we put in these. I think six will fit in the box. So, like I said, this is the first one. Here's the second one. Of course, I don't have no nuggets. Y'all already know they would be demolished. But, just open up and put them in like that. I thought that was so cute and so different. And then it was very brainless for me. Real easy to put together and do and make some great gifts as well. So, yeah. You guys make sure y'all check out Faye and see what she created for you today. Like I said, no dies. I'm just like, look at me. No dies, and they are cute and simple to do. And like I said, if you didn't want to add the nuggets in there, you could add other things in there too, because it's an inch space right here. And I will leave the link to the tutorial that I followed. It's just a picture, and she has the measurements on there. Real simple to make. I'll leave the link in the description box below. All right, you guys, you have a blessed day, and I'll be back with another video. Bye.